Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pata hamonado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, soy sauce, peppercorn or black pepper, and then pineapple tidbits, and then water, and then the pata. Ako na ni siya gipakuluan guys, kay para makuha ang mga impurities. Okay? Onya, pre-boil na. Onya, dayon garlic, onion. We're gonna saute the garlic. Pata guys, the pre-boiled pata. Okay. Pepper. Okay. Pineapple juice. The pineapple tidbits. Okay, because since we have still her, of course, we're gonna add water because we're gonna let it super soft, this one. Okay. For how many minutes until the pata it becomes tender, guys. So this is it. It's not super soft yet, so I'm gonna add pork cubes, and then guys, okay, cover, simmer until the pork is tender because it's not super tender yet. I want that is tender. Okay, okay. We'll be right back. Guys, look at our pata hamonado. It's soft already, oh. So it's already cooked. I'm going to garnish with fresh pineapple. Okay. Guys, that's it guys. Our pata hamonado is done. So I'm gonna have to try just a little bit only guys. Okay guys, okay. Ooh, it's super hot. Nita That's yummy guys, it's soft. It's hot lang. It's soft. I like it. Okay guys, so this is it. Our pata hamonado is done. It's super yummy guys. And then thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.